Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been hearing a lot about XDC and wondering how to actually use it in a DeFi, this video is for you. XDC is a blockchain network just like Ethereum or Solana, but it is designed mainly for businesses, trade finance and tokenization real world assets. It's fast, super cheap to use and energy efficient, which make it perfect for real world blockchain applications. You might be hear the term native XDC. So what does it mean? Native XDC is the original coin that runs on the XDC network. It is what you get when you spend or receive XDC directly on the XDC blockchain. No wrapping, no bridge, no conversion. Just pure XDC. It's what you pay gas fees with, and it is what you use for swap if you are using platform built on the XDC chain. Then there is a Uniswap, one of the biggest decentralized exchange in the world. It lets you swap one token for another without signing up or giving any personal information. No middleman, no KYC, everything happens directly between wallets using smart contracts. Now, here's the exciting part. Uniswap version 3 now supports native XDC and you can access it using a front end called OKU.trade. In this video, I am going to show you how to swap native XDC directly through OKU.trade step by step. So let's dive in. First, you will need a wallet that works with the XDC network. MetaMask or a XDC Pay are good options. If your wallet isn't already set up for a XDC, you will have to add a network manually. You just enter a few details like network name, XDC mainnet, RPC URL given in the description and check chain ID 50 and currency symbol is XDC. This will connect your wallet to the XDC blockchain and show your real XDC balance. Once your wallet is ready, go to OKU.trade. This is where the swapping happens. On the top right, click Connect Wallet and pick up your wallet. Make sure you are on the XDC network, otherwise your balance won't show and the swap won't work. Now it's time to pick up your tokens. In the first box, select XDC, that's the token you are using to swap. In the second box, choose the token you want to get. For example, you want to get SRX, select SRX from the drop down. Type in how much XDC you want to swap. The platform will automatically calculate how much of the other tokens you will get based on the latest price and liquidity. You don't have to do any math. It does it for you. Before swapping, double check the network. Look at the exchange rate, slippage, tolerance, gas fees, which are paid in the XDC, and the estimated amount you will receive. If needed, you can adjust slippage setting by clicking the small gear icon. Once everything looks good, click on swap. If it's your first time swapping for this token, your wallet might ask for the approval. That's normal, just confirm it, then hit a swap again and approve the transaction in your wallet. Now just wait for the few seconds. Once the transaction is confirmed on the XDC blockchain, you can click the link to view it on XDC scan. That's like your receipt on the blockchain. And that's it. You have now successfully swapped native XDC using Uniswap version 3 via OKU.trade. No bridge, no wrap tokens, fully on chain and fully decentralized. This makes it super easy to use your XDC for trading, investing, or exploring DeFi inside the XDC ecosystem. That is all about this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's exploring XDC. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.